What's up guys, Adem here. In this video, I'll be sharing with us an unboxing and review of the Tecno Spark 5. Although this device is not yet available in the Nigerian market, but as soon as it is launched, it will be available across Nigeria. This device is expected to be launched around April, so stay tuned to the end of this video so as to know what to expect, as these are the official specifications and tone and looks of the device. So without further delay, let's get into the video. The Tecno Spark 5 series is a successor to the Tecno Spark 4, comprising of the standard and Air version, just like its predecessor. This video is based on the standard version. Going up to the device, the build of the device is what we can call the 2020 trend, as a lot of devices released by Tecno and some other brands this year takes this design language. This device takes exactly the design trend of the Camon 15, coming from the indoor selfie camera to the 4 rear cameras and the quad flash at the back. The difference can only be spotted in the red accent on the power button and some inscriptions on the device. According to an unboxing video made by a Ghanaian YouTuber, out of the box, we'll be getting the device, a transparent silicone case, an earpiece, micro USB cable, charging brick, SIM ejector tool, and some paperwork. This device sports a 6.6-inch dot-in display, which is now a trend for 2020 smartphone. This display is a 720p IPS LCD panel at exactly 720 by 1600 pixels, with 480 nits brightness and 90.2% screen-to-body ratio as advertised by Tecno. It features a dual flash up front. The display is quite okay at this price point, and it should be usable under direct sunlight. Going up to the cameras of this device, it features a single camera at the front and 4 rear camera, which Tecno tagged the 5 camera more angles. This device boasts of a 30MP main camera with an upgrade to a new AI algorithm at an aperture of f1.8 with 2 megapixels macro lens for close-up shot, 2 megapixel depth length for AI bokeh effect, and AI lens. It also comes with the 8.0 selfie shooter, which is no special addition. This device comes with the MediaTek MT6761 Helio 822 clocked at 2.0 GHz with a GPU of PowerVGR 8320. I wonder why Tecno would decide to take this step, but it is Tecno. I expect this phone to be an upgrade to the Spark 4. The processor is also coupled with a 32GB ROM and 2GB RAM, aiding multitasking and performance of this device. This device was able to handle PUBG at balanced graphics with low frame rate, although you might experience some lag here and there, but it will still get the job done. And also 2D games are also playable. Another advantage of this device is the 5000 mAh battery. This will take you through almost 2 days of modest use. And yes, the phone does not come with fast charging. As this device doesn't support fast charge, it may take it a lot of time to juice up. This device comes with Android 10 out of the box with Tecno HiOS 6.0 slapped on top of it. So that means we're getting features like dark mode, social turbo, game boost, and the likes. My final verdict on this phone is that it is quite good and usable at this price range, considering the battery life, design, and display size. If you're actually into this category, then yes, you'll love the device. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Don't forget to hit on that subscribe button down there and turn on post notification. Give a like if you find the video helpful and share so as to help others in making a buying decision. Till next time.